best time to read an insurance policy is recently. I described how to read your insurance policy in just a few tips. What I did not mention there is when should you read your insurance policy? And this is important. Many people think that the best time to read your insurance policy is after a loss has occurred, after an event has happened that you want to see if it's covered. The best time to read an insurance policy is the very moment that you are considering purchasing that policy. Now, companies don't make this easily available, but it is possible for you to get the full copy or example copy of a policy so that you can review it and make sure that the coverages that you expect to be there will be there. If that's not something you have time for, then you want to make sure that the agent knows and is an expert in knowing what's covered on the policy. The next best time to read the policy is immediately after you've purchased it, once you have the insurance. At this point, you will be able to see, if this happens, I don't have coverage. Maybe I should look for another type of coverage. Have a discussion with my agent about why that's not covered, or how you can make that covered by endorsement or getting another policy in place. And the next best time to read the policy is before your renewal. When the policy is up for renewal, many times companies can slip in an endorsement or an update to an endorsement that you might not have seen coming. You may have never been aware of it in the past, or might not even realize how it changes. But simple, very small changes to an endorsement can radically change your insurance coverage. So being familiar with your policy before the renewal will allow you to know what happens at renewal, when, of course, you can check on that policy that renewed to make sure that nothing's changed from what you expected. That is when you should read your insurance policy.